What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to TechMan. Today our topic is all about how to transfer USDT from the Bitget wallet to Binance. So let's begin by opening the Bitget app. In the Bitget app, tap the Wallet tab at the bottom right of the screen. In the Wallet tab, tap USDT. As you can see on the screen, while we are in the USDT tab, the network is on in the USDT section. So remember that. It will ask for the address, so let's go to the Binance app. In the Binance app, tap the Wallet tab at the bottom right of the screen. In the Wallet tab, tap the Spot tab at the top of the screen. Now, as you can see in the video, we are in the Spot tab. So let me tap on the Spot tab at the top of the screen. In the Spot tab, tap Deposit. In the Deposit tab, find USDT and tap on it. Or you can also search it in the search bar. Since mine is already in the history section, I will just tap on it. A pop-up notification will appear. So let's choose Ton Coin and tap on it, since the network I mentioned earlier is Ton. As you can see, the deposit address appears, and it's up to you if you want to scan via QR code or just simply copy the address by tapping the copy icon beside the address. Don't forget to copy the memo number 2, since it has a memo. After copying the address and memo, let's go back to the Bitget app. In the Bitget app, paste the address and the memo. Here, just enter the amount. After that, tap confirm. A pop-up notification will appear, so just tap confirm again. Enter the password if you use that, or use your Face ID or fingerprint for verification. And then, there, the transaction will be approved. And that's it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.